I keep getting asked, what is one simple way that I can help fix, correct, make better my self-esteem, self-awareness, self-love? And I racked my brain because there's tons of stuff online we always read, you know, like take a shower, do laundry. And quite frankly, I feel like that list is for people who aren't deep in it, you know, deep in the moment of depression, of how do you even get yourself to give a shit if your sheets are clean or not. Everybody's had dark nights of the soul, and sometimes the hardest part is restarting your give a shit meter, right? And, you know, every time somebody has asked me, what did you do to perk yourself up and get yourself to start giving a shit about yourself again when you were so sad and, you know, really had given up kind of? And I figured out what it is. Think about it and let's see if this works for you. It's simple. It's easy. It's cleansing facial wipes, okay? Literally, ladies, there are thousands of them. Men, there are thousands of them. Whether it's just, you know, regular ones or with anti-wrinkle stuff in it. I started with those, and every single day, wiped my face with one of them. And it sounds ridiculous, but just giving a shit enough to go, oh yeah, I'm supposed to wipe my face with this, became something where I started adding a little bit to it each time. So now I have, let me see if I got it, this bag, this bag of tricks. And it has all sorts of stuff I wanted to try. So I have facial wipes that have anti-wrinkle stuff in it. I have, you know, face serum and moisturizer and even eyelash conditioner. Because when you start with one little thing and you realize that you're doing something for yourself and it's simple, it's easy. I mean, those facial wipes, you wipe your face, you throw it out, you're done. And you did something for yourself, even if you can't get up. And sometimes that's all you need. So my little self-tip, little way of really re-energizing and restarting your give a shit meter for self-love and self-care and self-awareness is go on Amazon, go to the store, do whatever you need to do, but find facial wipes and, you know, find ones that make you happy or smell good or whatever, and start there. And then just keep adding to it that brings you joy with it. Try new products, try strange stuff. But it's a little tip that can really help a long way for you. So try it for yourself, okay? Love you.